Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay. We will today we will start the introduction of engineering drawings. Okay. So can you listen my words?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Today is a rainy season, so the voice should be a little bit slow. Anyhow, the voice is little bit clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there are how many practical you already finished for the 1-1? How many practicals you will finish? Okay, how many hours of practical? So the 1 week, assume be a 1 practical. Sometime 2 weeks needed. So how many practicals? 7 weeks you followed, no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Totally 5 practicals.
Right. So you know what is the examination pattern of the practical?
No, sir.
Right. So there are spot exam. Hello. There are spot exam and the written exam. In the case of practical examination, conducted in 2 ways. One is spot exam. You know how to spot. We will give you a specimen. We will place. Suppose you are come to the examination for directly in a table, one of your practical instrument will be on the table. Then they will ask you the question, 1 or 3 question in the table, fix on the table. Instrument is there, questions also there. So sometime we will label it A, B, C, D like that. Then we will ask you what is the A, what is B, what is C, what is D. So we will ask you label or specify the name of the each and every component. Or otherwise they will ask you please identify A, B, C, D. So you want to tell what is the A, B, C, D. Sometimes there are 4 small equipments in the table. And finally in the second part, the second one, what is the function of each specimen? Sometimes C part, we will ask you one of the some problem related to A or B or C or D. That sort of examination should be we call spot examination, right? So the spot examination as well as practical written also there. Mostly what will we do? We will have a spot or practical written. And another one, this drawing is there. Drawing you want to draw, not in a online. Sometime online examination we will manipulate it, something related to, I will show you today. Otherwise you will come to the drawing room and draw 2 hours drawing, right? So the drawing should be 2 hours. 1 hour practical written and 1.5 hour or 1 hour spot also. There are 3 components in your practical now. Drawing is a real drawing, you want to draw hand drawing. We call instrument drawing, right? Instrument drawing means empty hand with a, yes, a square, arc, protector, some sort of compass. We call instrument box. So instrumental drawing. Actually, this is not a computer aided drawing. Computer aided drawing also there. Right? Computer aided, we call CAD. Computer aided drawing. CAD. Computer aided drawing. Other one, instrumental drawing. Other one, sketching. Right? Sketching means empty hand without any instrument. You will draw some, that is called art and design. That is called art and design. We are not encouraging that art and design. Here we will encourage instrumental drawing, but we will teach you one or two class or one practical about AutoCAD. One of our technical officer will do how to draw by AutoCAD, computer aided drawing. Okay, now you are clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's a 1-1 AEN. This is the AEN subject. So hydrology, applied hydrology is a full theory paper, 2 hours. 2 hours theory paper and 3 hours practical. 3 hours practical. Right? So we will give you 1.5 hour drawing, 1 hour spot exam, half an hour, 1 question, 3 hour exam, practical exam. We spend 15 hours.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the slides.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So introduction. So the engineering, actually we call engineering drawing. Yes, it is a part of the engineering drawing, but actually this is called instrumental drawing, right? For agriculture is a part of the engineering section are involved in agriculture. Actually, our department is agriculture engineering. That is why I put engineering drawing. Engineering drawing mostly civil. So mechanical drawing also there. We are dealing with mechanical, right? Suppose one of your batchmate, not in agriculture, some other friends ask you what you are studied in your drawings. Don't tell I am follow the engineering drawing. I am following the mechanical drawing. These are the drawings are there, but we are not that much of standard is not there. So we are learning the instrumental drawing. What do you want to tell? Instrumental drawing for the agriculture purposes. Sometimes we have you see here farmhouse, farmland, and some other mechanical things you are developed, or some sort of furnitures. Then you want to draw height and width and depth and length and that sort of thing. You want to draw it. So that is why we are introducing this course for the 1-1 student. Okay, we will see here. Here we will use a orthographic drawing. What is the orthographic drawing? 2D is a 2D drawing, right? Actually, it is a orthographic is a 1D drawing, one-dimensional drawing. So isometric is actually orthographic is a 2D drawing. 1D is a meaning of, hello, clearly listen, orthographic is 2D. And another one drawing is there, isometric. Isometric, we will see, this is a 3D. Isometric drawing is a 3D, orthographic is a 2D. 1D is normally circle, square, like that. That is a 1D is a normal sketching, art and design, 1D. That's also you can draw 3D and 2D also. But orthographic drawing is the one that show two of an objects, 3 dimension. Two of an objects, 3 dimension. Hello. Objects is given in a 3 dimension mean 3D. That is called 3 dimension. Shortly we call 3D. We take this D and 3D. So orthographic is not a 3D. We will give a 2D from 3D pictures is given to you. We will ask you draw 2D, right? That is called orthographic. Orthographic view, normally you heard about very oftenly. Please, whatever you will get the approval, right? Suppose you want to build a house, right? Suppose you want to build a house, then you need a land. So land map is in your hand, right? All of your land is not yours. Your land is demarcated, how many meters length, how many meters width, and the shape also. Sometimes your land is square, sometimes rectangle, sometimes polygon, sometimes your land is round. We don't know. So you want to draw the land, diagram, map of the land. We call plan of this land plan. So plan of the land. What is the plan? Earlier plan is a how to do it. The procedure, how to do it. You call plan. You want to plan this activity. Here the engineering point of view, plan is the diagram. You see from the top. We call aerial photo. Aerial photo is there. You want to be in a very high position. Seem to be you are in a aeroplane or you are in the helicopter or parachute. So something, maybe now you send the drone camera to the top and take a photo. So your land should be in a particular shape. We call that is the plan view, right? So plan view, front view, side view. There are 3 views are there. So these 3 views we call orthographic views. So orthographic drawing, you are now clear. We will give you a 3-dimensional shape. One object, you want to draw. What is the plan? What is the front? What is the side? We call end view. Side is we call end view. Sometimes you call side view, okay. Side is 2 sides are there. That is called one of the side, we call end view. Plan front end. Plan front end. These are we call orthographic drawing. First we will give you a practice to draw orthographic. Finally, we will give you orthographic view, 3 view. Right, 3 view of drawing. You want to draw isometric. 3D you want to draw. Finally, final day of the drawing class, you want to draw 3-dimensional drawing. Now we will go for 2-dimensional. Okay, we'll see next line. Interior designers frequently draw. Yes, you see, designers. Interior designers, whatever. So interior mean internal part. So internal diagram. Suppose you want to build a house, right? So from you will see from the front, you only know that you will see door and the wall and the roof. Not inside, you cannot see from the front view. So plan view, you want to without roof, you want to tell interior design, every room, whole room, whatever, all the partition, you want to clearly draw the plan. How many rooms, how many bathrooms, how many kitchens, how many storeroom, how many space, like sort of thing, you will draw in the plan. So interior design is like that. Interior design means how many rooms inside. So we will protected clearly, projected, not protected, projected clearly interior design. So drawing are created by a orthographic projection. Okay, first thing we want to learn how to draw orthographic drawing, right? So we will move here. You will see how you are going to be record of this drawing called projections. What is a projection? How do you record this drawing in your notebook or examination book? How do you going to be record or draw? So that's called projection. There are three main classification of projection. One is orthographic. That is why I teach you first. Second, oblique and prospective. So oblique and prospective we don't want. That is the quantity surveying. No quantity surveying. It is called draftsman. Some sort of job surveyor, draftsman, quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyor quantify the material. So surveyor measure the land area, and the draftsman draw the diagram. So these two diagrams, these two titles are important for the draftsman course. You are not learning draftsman course. You are the agriculture graduate projection. We are mainly focused on orthographic, and orthographic there are two, multi-view and axonometric. You will see this axonometric is a axial related drawing. It's a very accurate drawing. It's a multi-view or single view. Orthographic is very simple. Under the orthographic, axonometric graph is there. That is under this axonometric, isometric is there. These two are not needed. So isometric and orthographic. Isometric and orthographic are very important. That is one of the projection, right? So the cabin, cavalier, 1 point, multi-point perspective. These are the high advanced drawings for the some sort of development projects. So you only want to know it, orthographic and isometric, right? 2 words, please refer these 2 words. I told you orthographic is not a 1D, it's a 2D projection. Isometric is a 3D projection, right? So we will see one by one. A projection, I told you how do you be recorded in your notebook or theory or... So that is the projection. The projection theory based on 2 variables, line of sight and plane of projection. Plane of projection, that is called plane. Line of sight is given to you. You see the box is there. You will see from the one holes from the cardboard or holes from the one sheet. That is called line of action. Line of sight, not line of action, line of sight and projection line. This is the projection line and this line of action. So line of sight, not line of action, actually it is called line of sight. Sight is a visual. Sight, short sight, long sight is a visual parameter. So here this is the line of sight, right? Projection line. So line of sight is an imaginary ray of light, one wavelength, one ray of light between observer eye and objects. Line of sight is an imaginary ray of light, right? Imaginary, don't, it is not a real line, it is an imaginary ray of light between observer's eye and the objects. Plane of projection is an imaginary flat plane upon which the image created by the line of sight is projected. Okay, later on you will see line of sight and plane of projection is important. Here this is the way of sketching the isometric view. Orthographic projection. Orthographic projection. The orthographic projection process is then repeated on the other projection planes, right? I told you, you see from the top area. So you see top view, right? These are called orthographic projection, right? Under the orthographic projection, you see there are two people on one person is front, standing on the front, one person side view, or we call end view, right? Side view, actually we are calling end view, END, end. Side view are not, now they are not using, but actually from initially it is a side view. So side, suppose it is your house, assume it should be your house or it should be your faculty. So in front of one person is standing there and side one person is standing. Top also in a very higher position, maybe on the tower or on the water tank, one person is sitting. So that person will see the top view. Who are the persons standing on the front? They will see the front view, right? What is the called line of sight? Line of sight is a perpendicular line. So suppose the perpendicular line, it is, you can't see this side. Dots, only you will see these two patterns, this and this. So who are the persons standing on the side? He will see the dots. Other side also one dot area, here one dot area, here one. You see three dots area, three square, 1, 2, 3. So he cannot see this side. It is wave side, wave shaded lines. He will not. The side is not visible to who are the persons stand on the side direction. So these three lines, three square is there. The front person will see waved design area, this area plus this. So front area. Hello, can you listen my words?
Yes, sir.
Because the internet quality is not today very good. So it is average today. Average internet quality, internet strength of the internet is not very good. Anyhow, you will listen. You will hear my words, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
see the front person. Top from the top. Who are the people in the top? They will see top view. What is the top view? You will see there are one square, rectangular one, another one T. T shape also visible from the top. T plus square. or rectangle? One square. Normally, I don't know it's square or rectangle. What is the one? Square plus one t. Here you see three square. Here you see one square, one polygon. Polygon is a there angle is there. One side angle is there. We call polygon. Or otherwise we call trapezoidal. So many terms. It is not square. Square or rectangular piece, one rectangular piece plus one polygonal piece. Here side view of three square piece. Here one polygon and the no. That is the front. Front also there are two sides. That side also sometimes you call front. Side and side, front and front, top. Top you will see one rectangular plus one T. Now you are clear. So this is called the viewer or observer and the object. One line is there, we call line of sight. So this sight view is denoted in a one. This is called projection plane. Projection plane, frontal, profile, horizontal. This is a top plane. It is a called horizontal plane. These are the called vertical plane. That is the one you see plane of projection. Plane of projection here. One is a horizontal plane. There are two vertical planes. This is called plane of projection, right? Line of sight. They see from the perpendicularly. They stand in the middle point. See the sight. So these dots not visible from this viewer. Front viewer can't see this side viewer sights. Side viewer alone, he or she cannot see the front view pattern. So top view, he cannot see side and the front. That is the why that is your house or faculty. You want to draw three different projectional plane views. One called top view, another one called front view, another one called side view or end view. So these type of views are called orthographic views. So orthographic views are projected in a projection planes. Planes mean horizontal plane, vertical plane. So orthographic projection is a process that is then repeated on the other projection planes, right? So here you will see this is the principal view. You know, this is called 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants mean quarter mean 1/4. You divided a one circle in a 4. One circle you will divide it. There are 4 planes. Up and bottom. There are horizontal and vertical. There are 4 planes we call quadrant. 4 quadrant there. So first quadrant is this one. Written TV. This is the first quadrant. So this is called here same side. Horizontally, the front side we call first quadrant, the back side we call second quadrant, then up and down. So up one we call third quadrant, down one you call fourth quadrant. Hello. Okay. I will explain clearly, note it. This is the blue color one. It's a first quadrant. Not TV. T dot V is not. This is a fourth quadrant. It is the fourth quadrant. First, second, third, fourth. In a peripheral order, the vertical one is first. Then horizontal. Then vertical down. Then horizontal right. Vertical up first. Then horizontal side, vertical down, horizontal, this is called horizontal left, horizontal right. There are 4 quadrants. So the object should be drawn these 4 quadrants. So no need for further explanation. I will read, you will understand, it's okay. So it is clear that there are 2 main planes used in the orthography projection. Planes is a horizontal and vertical. One of the horizontal plane and the other is a vertical plane. These planes intersect and divided space into 4 quadrants. See the figure below. So sometimes you will confusing. That is why I help you. Which one is first quadrant? Which one is second quadrant? Which one is third quadrant? Which one is fourth quadrant? Right? Clear? So now you see. So they will divide it in a right hand side. First block is called first quadrant. Left hand side upper one second quadrant. Left side down is third quadrant. So right side down is fourth quadrant. So these are the quadrant. It's important to projection plane based on this. So today I am not teach everything. Second class tomorrow, not tomorrow, next week. Hello, you are Wednesday evening. Monday evening. What is your practical Monday evening? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Group 1 Soil Science, Group 2 ICT Practicals.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Thursday Agronomy Practical and Animal Science Practical.
So 1 hour, you will give a 1 hour before 12 o'clock. I will teach you the theory, full theory of the drawing. 1 hour. Where you are free? 1 hour, 1 hour. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, give you evening. Other days, give in the morning. Tuesday or Thursday, you are free 1 hour in the morning. English, you have a class on Zoom classes, online classes on English. Is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then other disaster management or whatever, but other class? Single Tamil, that is also take place.
No, sir.
Sir.
That give you that time when that section is there. When you are that bi-language classes time.
That is not in our timetable.
Not in your timetable. When you are free, 1 hour. Otherwise, I will take the mathematical class time. So Tuesday, when the practical will finish? When? 2 to 3 or 1 to 3?
2 to
2 to?
4.
So 1 to 2, I can take it. 1 hour. Only 1 day. Tuesday. Hello, Tuesday 1 to 2, I will take it or not? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So mostly I will repeat it in Wednesday also, but Tuesday I will morning I will put your rep to the SMS classes. Not there. If it class is there, please come. Tuesday 1 to 2. I will finish. Okay. So when your other exam timetable should be finished 12:15. Your lunch break, when your lunch break?
12:15.
12:15 to 1 is enough, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 hour I will teach you the theory of, suppose Wednesday, this class is cancelled, I will do Tuesday. Okay. So Wednesday class is 2 hours. Tuesday class is 1 hour or 45 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now you see orthographic and isometric, multi-view, single view, isometric, single view, but 3D. Hello, single view mean one object is one. Hello, you see here, down. One object is there. If you want to draw this object, these 3 orthographic view are important. You see front, you see from the front, you will see the blue color. That is why drawing is there. One rectangular, one square. Hello, one rectangular. No. From the front. So side view is a blue color. Hello, side view is the blue color one. You see L shape. L shape side. How do you know it is a front, it is a side? Here you can show 2-dimensional only, can show 3-dimension only. Then you are clear. It is not I am writing. It is the one of the professor. Try this 2D. It is a 3D. Several times I told you, you are now you believe. You see 3D mean you see side, front, plan. All are visible. Here you see only side and the front. Plan. It is called 2D. You see length and width. Actually, seem to be a 1D, but is actually is a 2D there. So it's a 2D. What is the view? Plan, front, side. I told you orthographic, multi-view. That is why 3 views are there. Only single view. It will be viewing as a 1 view. That is why single view. Show the object as 3. Show the object as 1. Different image as viewed from the front, top, back, or from top side. All are same. Image with all 3 sides with all axes equally inclined. What equally inclined? Sides are all are in 30 angle with the horizontal. With the horizontal, this line is how many? What is the angle of this line? 30. This is the horizontal, vertical and 30 lines. Angle as a 30. We call it is axis equally inclined. Equally mean it is a 30 degree. Angle is a 30 degree, right? It is a 3D, it's a 2D. You see from the top, you see one of this square, here rectangle, square rectangle. Front view, one square, one rectangle, one square, one rectangle. And plan, here one square, one rectangle. So the side view or end view, we call that is L shape. Now you are clear? So one person standing on the side, one person standing on the top, front, one person standing on the top. These 3 views are visible and 3 people. Draw in a particular manner. I will tell you very clearly for the next class how to draw it. Right? So these 3 views are called orthographic. This view, 3D object is called isometric view. This is isometric projection, orthographic projection. Now you are clear? Right. I have under. So here what they told you, draw the front face of the block using the correct size. Suppose the height is 5 meter, you want to draw the box 5 meter height, same as this. Length is 5 meter, here you want to draw 5 meter. Don't write a smaller box. Similar. The front view is called the elevation. So this is the elevation. What I told you, the previous. How do you know which one is front? We don't know actually which is front. Sometimes this blue color side is front. Sometimes this is the front. So that is why we will give you arrow mark. This arrow mark is given to you. When the arrow mark is given to you, that is the front. Hello. Arrow mark is a sight of line of sight. Line of sight is given to you. Line of sight is given to you. That is called front. So other side or end. The top is called top view. So elevation, the front view is called the elevation. Normally, side elevation, front elevation, top is don't call top elevation. So normally we call top projection, front elevation, side elevation, right? So see these three, you see front view, top view are there, right view. Don't projection, top elevation, there are two, side elevation and front elevation. Top is a view. Then normally we call top view, front view, side view, right? So you can see from the top, from the side, from the front, right? Same. So you see top view, or we call plan. Side view, or front view is a front view. Right side view or left side view, we will normally call side view, end view. Sometimes it's called end view, END. You will see, don't worry. Now you see very nice way, they will explain you how to draw orthographic projection from this isometric view. And orthographic projection, the views are aligned such that each point on the object is lined up with itself, all three views. Don't see all the paragraph, very clearly I tell you. So here arrow mark is not given. What? Some normally we will give you arrow mark. Suppose you will take here, A is the front, right? Front view, and others from the respective of side and the plan. So you see what they written to you from the A direction. You see this box with a circle. Then you see this box with a red color circle. You see this box. Actually, this is the plan. Hello, top is we call plan. You see plan. This surface and this surface. This surface and this. One rectangle, one square. We call this the plan. Right? So what is this? Front. You see one small box. Behind one big box. But you want to draw in a one plane. So small box inside the big box. So here side view, you see this side and this side. Write your plan. Top view, side view also same, but direction here, this is the rectangular one top and the smaller one bottom here. Side view, side, right side and left side. So this is called end or side view. Respect of this diagram, they will draw three. But what they put for plan first? What they draw plan first? Normally we will draw front first, front view. Right? It is depend on the which projection. Right? There are two projection. I will teach you on coming Tuesday. What projection? First angle projection and third angle projection. There are 3 projections are available. 3 projections are default projections for mapping or copying. There are 2 way, first angle projection and third angle projection. The first angle is a one way of booking. Third angle is another way of booking. There are 2 way. Why the 2 way is coming? Actually, we are practicing all the English, the words, one UK style. UK mean, yeah, London, UK, United Kingdom. Yes, I also know. Yeah. So London is, you know very well. That's why I told you UK standard mean and USA standard. There are 2 systems, UK and USA. Right? These 2 countries are very dominant in the world. Now you know. Now you told no. China is a leading now. Okay, but for the English, there are 2 people are ruling the English. So the first one is UK. You can't deny. UK is a top people for this English. The point of view in the language of English. You don't no. America have many military aircraft, atomic. Oh yeah, that is the another. I told you I will teach you the language. The language educational system mainly focused on 2 big regime. One is UK style, one is a USA style. Suppose you want to go USA, you want to take TOEFL. When you want to go UK, then you want to take IELTS. So there are 2 discipline exams there, TOEFL and IELTS. Why they put these 2 English pattern? So educational patterns are different. Pronunciation, words are different. That's why. So here also they introduce the UK system and USA. USA introduced a first angle projection. USA introduced third angle projection. Right? We will see. Don't worry. Right? Like TOEFL and IELTS. Suppose you take IELTS, America, you can't go. You will travel to America also possible. But they ask what is your score of the TOEFL. When you want to go Canada or other country than USA, then the whole of the country they ask you IELTS exam. So they sort of 2 discipline there. So here also you will see not clear but isometric notes. Orthography projection system. Here also we will come. Yeah, it's a very clear one, right? It is very, very clear one how they booked. The orthographic, you see the orthographic projections. Front view, side view, top view. Now you see front is there. Front is first. Hello. Here you see plan is first. This is the plan. This is not front. Hello. You see from the front. This side front or this side is the front. These 2 are here. This is called plan. Here you see front is the first. When the front is first, we told this is the first angle projection. USA system. USA, United States of America. USA system, front is the top. UK, don't tell top is the top. Top view is the first. Top view is the first. This is the top view we call plan. So you UK people, they want first plan. What is the plan of this construction? So we call plan of construction, right? Or plan of design. Then there are 2 other views, side view and front view. So you see the block, very very clearly colored for your understanding. You see green colors, all the green colors should be on the plan. It's called top view. Top view, you only visible this side, this side, this and this. This is called one of the shape. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. Why they booking this way? The object is another way. Booking is another way. That's also very important. You can see this is called this diagram is called the height, this height and this height, two pieces of these two pieces height are same, width are same. Here this height and that height also same. So suppose you divide in the middle. So divided in the middle line, same equal dimension pieces are separated. Bisectional. We call bisectional view. Bisection mean if you divide into two pieces, same dimension, or sometimes you call very accurately same weight pieces. So dimensions are same. So that is why you will see from this is called front view. Hello. For FV, front view, side view, top view, TV. So the front view, you see the purple color, sheer, sitting, sheer. So here also purple is there. Hello, inside you see there are two purple surfaces there. But these two planes, inside plane is not visible. Why? Same height, you will see only one side. This side is behind of this. So same height and inside is not visible. No need to draw these two. You will draw this structure like this. This is the one and another one. Inside these two are no need to draw. This is hidden. Hidden mean it is can't visible from seeing from this one. Likewise, front side, all the blue colors are, front side is a purple. So side view, you see the blue cloud. One box is here, one box is here. So another one box is here. Then this rest of the thing should be like that. Why the hidden line, not hidden line? Yes, it's a hidden line. It is called hidden area. This is called hidden line or dotted line. Oh, this is why this line is there. You see inside small pieces is cut and take out. Small pieces take out. So this hidden line tell you some parts are removed inside. Some parts are cut away. Some parts are cut from internally. You see this is the part. So here also there will one line is there, hidden line. Here also one hidden line is there. Right? These are the way of booking. Right? So now your work. Draw this front end. This is the front. Arrow mark is given to you. Hello, front is given to you. So this is the side. This is the top. Draw three view. Now I want to see you. Draw three view. So participant, I will ask you the name and you want to show me. Open the camera and show me. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Draw. Now I will give you 5 minutes time. Hidden line also needed. This here one round surface is removed. Here one round is removed. Here one round is removed. Here one long cut down and take it out. U shape pieces removed. Rounds 2, 3 round shape and one U shape pieces are removed. So hidden line is there. So draw. First you draw top front. Bottom, top is front, bottom is plan, side is a side. So like this diagram, right? Front, top, side. Always plan is above or behind this the front. Always. So you want to write these two are in a up and down. So side be always one of the side. Okay. Draw this. I will give you 5 minutes time. Oh,
Yes, sir.
so I will call one person. Rep, what is your name? Rep, what is your name?
Sir Samina.
Okay, show you open the camera and show. First you open the camera.
Okay, sir.
And, it's not visible here. Open. What is the name? So little bit move little bit. It's not clear now. No. Other side. Yes. Okay. Little bit okay. I can't see very clearly. Okay. So I will call another one. Now it's okay. Very good.
Okay, sir.
I will. One over there. Mayuri. Open. Hello, Mayuri.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mayuri.
Yes, sir.
Open the. Show me.
Sir, I am finished, but can you?
Yeah. You have a handphone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come on, it's no problem. Okay, I will ask another one. Okay. So one of your batchmate show you a diagram. So what is this? When you see from the top, the surface, right? Top surface is a, we call this is called incline. Incline means it is a curve type surface. How is visible in your top? Should be, yes, rectangular one. Always rectangular, right? So one rectangular, after that, here big rectangular with a U shape and two holes are visible. So they are in the front, sorry, top, this holes is not visible. You will put a two hidden line. Hello, two hidden line in the top. I will show you next class how to draw it. So front, you will see blue color, shaded area front, this side, and this with the circle of this. So here you see it's a 3D circle. They have orthographic view 2D. It's a simple circle is there. You can't see inside. So here hidden line is there. Circle, two circle, hidden line is there. So the side view, how to draw side view? Until the top, it will be visible until the top. This side, white color, this face, and this is there. There are no other space. So should be L shape. Should be L. What is the height? Hello. What is the maximum height of this? So you see middle to here 15 plus what is the rest of the height? So that much of height should be L. So here 36 is a width. Height is should be 15 plus something. 15 until here. So wait a minute. Okay, please draw this diagram clearly. Front end view. Front end and the plan or top view. So I will continue for next class, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So try to draw this also. This is the correct diagram. Anyhow, you will practice this. So this also needed. Now you see side view is given to you. Sometimes it is a front, top and front. For next class you want to show it. Don't take that one projected is there. It's a side view. So you want to project that front and the top. For the next class, okay. So please take a photo of this diagram. Tomorrow I will ask you, coming to very clearly draw isometric. So here also you will see building of your faculty will projected here very clearly. The pupils are seeing. Okay, so very clearly I will how to record what is the drawing sheet, dimension, how to draw everything on Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So Tuesday theory, please come to Tuesday 1 to 2 and the Wednesday 2 hours. Okay. Please come to the Tuesday 1 to 2 is for theory. Then it is start on 11 up to 12:30. We will finish today little bit early. We will finish it up to 12:30. Okay. Okay, thank you. We will meet on Friday. Your class is there. Mathematical class is there. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.